You're looking for a solar panel and you're looking to run off the grid, bring it camping, run a fan, a blender, appliances, small, 12 volt. This is IP rated, the solar controller, the panel, power stations, anything imaginable. What we're going to do is briefly go over and show you what the product is about. SOLUPUP is a solar panel, 24% high efficiency, 100 watt solar panel to charge batteries as an option, to run off the grid as a generator backup, take camping, RVing, on the boat, by the beach, around the house, put it up on the roof, put it outdoors, run a cable to run LED lights and more. Let's open up the package and show you the MC4 connectors and more. This is the model SP102. It's IP65 rated, so you can get it wet. Let's show you how nicely they are packaged by opening up. And everything inside the box. In a nice bag, the MC4 connectors, different types of DINs for RC cables and plugs. You have an instruction guide to go over at your leisure. It is bubble wrap and foam protected. As a handle, we could take out, removing the foam. It has jack stands made of metal with the Velcro and strap, with elastic strap on each, your solar array panel on both sides, and your cables to plug into a solar panel. And the solar panel type cables that you could plug into your unit. The MC4 plugs that plug into the adapters, different types of cables. So let's go outside, set this up in the sun. As the sun is getting ready, this is where we're going to set up. It is simple as matching up the color leads, black for black, red for red, by the correct MC4 plugs by snapping in. We are just about ready to hook up to either our RC power station. If we want to hook up to different types of connectors, we have right here, as you can see. We're going to see if we can get a fan to hook up to this and run it. We are going to unstrap, remove all foam, and simply open up the legs. It is Velcro driven on some, right over here. And you simply lay down like so. As we do our best to tilt it and show and demonstrate. We got our angle and the sun is hitting. As the sun starts to hit the panel, it'll produce more energy to run types of units. This is a solar powered 12 volt fan with a battery backup that you simply plug in to the unit. It's an optional unit that you can purchase, and you simply plug into the back. The unit turns on and charging like so. You can see the green lights charging. Now we have outdoor fan to run all day long through the solar panel. Just like that, in different speeds we can choose. We can hook up more than one particular item to the unit. We can have here is a power station to be charged and other units that accept different types of jack ports, as you see. As we have the unit turned off and we turn in the unit on so you can see how the power runs. We have different types of cables to use for power. And we have here is the second cable that is held on by the ring. Many different ways to run the unit. These are known as XT60s. This charger has one. We simply match up the leads and have to have the correct lead to plug in. Some of them do not go into the correct area, just showing. So what we're going to do is pick one of the ports and check the voltage. It is a DC unit. Simply plug in and check on the voltage. we have here is 12.99, putting out as an output, ready for use. And the sun is only partially hitting, not the full unit. Power stations, solar controller panels for nighttime use with a built-in inverter, and charging is simply hooking up one of the cables and allowing the unit to fully charge. These are just some of the examples you can use with your solar controller panel. It is already a built-in circuitry of 12 volts. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your solar off-grid needs. Run appliances with optional inverters, run lighting, run your radios, your smartphones, anything imaginable of a 12-volt system. Thank you for your time and view. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.